Hi everyone. Today we will be discussing about Barbados, which is the newest republic. Okay, you can see the picture of Barbados here in red color, which is a Caribbean nation. Okay, now it got republic, and this is the newest republic of the world. Actually, it was a British colony for the 400 years, and it got its independence in 1966 only. Till that time it was a colony of Britain. Okay, now again its standard has been upgraded into republic state. Okay, earlier it got independence in the year of 1966, but at that time, even though it had a parliamentary system of government, the head of the government was the Queen. Okay, but now the Queen was removed from the status of head of the state, and now the country will be having an elected president. Okay, they have elected a new president in the October election held in the month of October, and the new president will be assuming charge, and from now onwards it will be considered as the republican state. Okay, so we should understand what is the difference between a republic and a monarch. Okay, India is a republic, whereas Britain is a monarchy. Okay, the difference is that there are two forms of government in the world. One is the head of the government will be elected, and in the other case head will be hereditary. Okay, in the case where the elected head will be known as republic, and in the case where the head is hereditary in status is known as monarchy. Okay, in case of Britain, there the head of the state is hereditary and head of the state is the Queen. Okay, so it is known as monarchy. But in case of India and other republican states, the head will be elected, and that elected representative will be known as the president. Okay, so we have a presidential system of government, as we will be doing the election every 5-year term. Okay, and from now onwards Barbados also will be conducting election for the presidential post. Okay, so now Barbados become a republican state. Even though they have become republic and their head of the state has been removed, or the Queen has been removed from the post of head of the state, they will be remaining in the Commonwealth nations. Commonwealth nation, you may be knowing, this is an international organization consisting of 54 members. Actually, all the British territory, previous British colonies, are the members of Commonwealth nations. Okay, so in order to maintain a good relation with the former British colonies, Britain made this international organization, and almost all the former British colonies are a part of Commonwealth nation, and India is also a part of Commonwealth nation. Okay, and now Barbados will remain as a member of Commonwealth nation. So this is the news regarding the Barbados, because it became a newest republic of the world. So study regarding the difference between republic and monarch, and also the map of Barbados, where it is located. It is a Caribbean nation, so the location of the Barbados also you should note. Okay, that's all. Thank you.